So next we are going to talk about is the Giga Algo oscillator. We have three smart oscillator modes: oscillator, impulse, and matrix. In this video, we are going to talk about the oscillator mode. Set to oscillator. So these are the settings for the Giga oscillator. Let's see how these work. So first of all, we have the yellow and red circles. They represent the market is overbought. So yellow circle represent the market is trying to enter the overbought zone, and the red circles represent that the market is in the overbought zone and we will see a reversal soon. So same here, we have the yellow and green dots, where yellow dots represent that we are trying to enter. Like here, we have yellow dots. This means that we are trying to enter the oversold zone, and the green dots represent that we are in the oversold zone, right? So again, we have the green dots here and trying to reverse here. Let's see through other examples. Again, here we have the red dots and the market reversed. We have the green circles here and the market reversed. So they are highly useful to understand overbought and oversold zones. So this was oversold and this was overbought. And next is the momentum circles. So these little white dots, they represent momentum, that we are in the momentum. So we see the market started to fall here, and when the dots turn black, just like here, from white to black, this means that there is no more momentum in the market. Same for the volume. We have the little orange dots here in the middle line, which means that we have volume. So these are the volume indicators, or you can also say like squeeze indicator. And then we have is the money flow, right? So this is the money flow. So you guys can make sure to combine the oscillator with the scalp mode or the smart money concepts with the bar colors as well, and you can find out where the reversals might happen and how you can play your next move, right?